Welcome to my 400 subscriber special of my Fanimation Pedestal ceiling fan from 2000. This fan I got from Iowa. There are 3 parts. They're all edited together in one video. One with these new blades that Tom gave me. No one's in the background laughing.
You had to include that. Come on, man.
These are bamboo blades in the clear finish. And second set of blades, which are original, are palm leaf, and the third set are Casablanca blades. So
Somebody thought it was a good idea to do it. Anyway, I'm not sure if it's going to come on low or high. Alright, here's low. For those who are watching this on my channel, sorry it's not 1080-60, it's because I had to record in self-mode because my phone's gonna die. Battery-wise, not like, break forever. Y'all know what I mean.
original owner, if I remember correctly, paid $2,000 for this on clearance.
And there's a geese outside.
Yeah.
They're being too noisy, let's put it to medium. And
Does Nona know how to use the control?
it's sideways, so I'm not used to it. This is probably the weirdest fan Andrew owns.
It stands on the pedestal.
As you can see, it's a fan on a pole. It's kind of like my, whatchamacallit, my Icon Mobile, except that thing kind of screws into the ceiling.
And this fan's way more expensive than that Incom Mobile Air.
They're still weird fans, though.
Yeah.
Other way. There we go. There we go, alright. Just had to check. Here's high. So it's got a little bit of wobble.
Normal for these blades. It doesn't wobble on reverse for some reason.
I didn't know it was. I didn't think that this was reversible.
It is.
So, yeah, did you just show them the control and the other parts?
Yeah. So that's it for this first part. I actually recorded the palm leaf blade part a few months ago. And the Casablanca blades 3 months ago. So right now I'm recording this and I only have 370 subscribers now, but it's for the 400 subscribers special. So thank you for 400 subscribers, and we will see the fan with palm blade next, I think. Or Casablanca blades, I'm not sure. Bye. Here is the Fanimation Pedestal with palm leaf blades. And these are the original blades that came with the fan. So, they look fine on it, but it's definitely not my favorite. So, it's the original set from 2000. So there's a couple of holes and cracks on it, which is why I put on the set of the woven bamboo clear blades, white oval. So low speed. I have it in reverse because it's winter. It's silent. Medium. Still pretty much silent. High. Some motor noise, and the blades are also making the rustling noise because they are natural palm leaves. It moves some air, but not a lot because it's the huge oval blade. Off. I'm going to show you the light that I have pointing to it. There it is. Could maybe tell, I don't know. I'm going to give some close-ups. And that's it. So here is the Fanimation Pedestal with Casablanca normal wood blades. These are the antique oak 21-inch blades. And they have normal brass Panama irons. I just found a set that I had lying around and put it on for test. And it looks fine. Not the best and not the worst. And I actually think it looks better than I thought it would. So it looks fine, but it definitely does not look very good. So this is the second set of blades I've tried on. The first set was this set of wide oval palm leaf blades. These are the set of 5 of the original blades that came with this fan. These are from 2000, which means they are 21 years old, and since they are made out of natural palm, they are starting to have cracks in them, so I wanted a set of those wide oval woven bamboo clear blades, but I asked Tom if I could buy some from him, and he said he would send some to me for no cost, but I think he made a mistake because he sent a set of 5 of these wide oval natural palm blades, but it's still blades, so thank you very much, Tom, if you're watching. It really helps. I cannot thank him enough for this free set of blades. So we're going to start this fan low. It has a nice low speed. Since this pedestal is an early one, it does not have the flywheel ring adapter that you see on the 2004 ones. Matt Cody has one that's from 2004, so it has a ring, which I really want. But this pedestal is in the custom order pewter finish. I asked Tom and he said he never made a pewter, so this must be custom ordered. And if you say it's antique brass, it's not. It's pewter. It's too obvious to be antique brass because this is like gray. This is not antique brass at all. Low speed, moving some good air. Medium. With these normal Casablanca blades, the fan is silent on all 3 speeds. But with the palm leaf blades, it hums for some reason. So I'm not sure why it's like that. Probably because the palm leaf blades create so much drag that the FDK 2100 motor has to work harder, probably. And now high speed. Pretty powerful. It's just like a normal Casablanca would perform because it's basically the same motor. So it's definitely a very good performing fan with these normal blades. With the palm leaf blades, it's more of a decoration piece. Some close-ups once I turn the fan off for spin down, because this fan is going to have quite a long spin down since it has good bearings and it has normal blades. There's the base, the light I have shining up to it. There's the control. I'm not sure which order right now that you all see me present all these blade options, but here's the wood blade ones. It looks fine. I may try on a set of Hunter Original sailcloth blades, because why not, but maybe. As you can see, it's nighttime outside right now. And that's it for the wood blades right now.